What's up YouTube? Chini here, back at it again, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, Axie Infinity and yung bagong update nila, which is yung Ronin Dex. Tignan natin, silipin natin kung anong itsura niya and ano yung function niya para sa community. Actually, ito, bigyan ko na kayo ng heads up. Ano siya, kumbaga isa sa mga sagot to minimize yung gas fee in terms of exchanging SLP mo, yung WETH mo, yung AXS mo. Pakita ko sa inyo yan, and papakita ko sa inyo guys yung chart ni SLP sa Binance. Tingnan nyo yung pump niya, mukhang maganda. Ito na ba? Road to 20 pesos per SLP na ba ulit? Or kaya ba nitong umakyat muna ng 10 pesos muna tayo? Gradual, diba? 5, tapos meron 10, 15, 20. Sana nga naman, diba? Umakyat uli ng 20 pesos. Para naman mabuhay ulit yung community. Medyo tahimik na yung community natin dyan sa Axie Infinity, hindi na katulad ng dati. Okay? So if you're new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. Set that to all para lagi kang updated and notified sa mga game reviews, sa mga updates, announcements, anything and everything NFT. Every Friday, guys, CPD Friday Madness. Myself, Professor T-Rex, and Dalarin TV. Nagpaparaffle tayo dyan ng free NFTs. So without further ado, guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay guys, so shout out to Alpha Axie Lab. Ito yung reliable source ko ng mga announcements and updates para kay Axie Infinity. So yan, feel free to add and follow them. Ayan, facebook.com/Alpha Axie Lab. Okay? So, first and foremost, tignan natin guys yung yung SLP. Naka-wax pa ako guys kasi favorite ko na favorite na blockchain ko yan. Ayan, no? Lipad ang ating SLP pump. Diba? So, kahapon, makikita nyo dyan. Ayan, no, guys. So, makikita nyo naman yung dyan. Yung baba niya. Ayan, no? 0.0650. Tignan natin kung magkano yung 0650. Ayan. So, kahapon, 3.3 pesos per SLP siya. And then, today, nasa 0.0909 naglalaro or 4.61. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yan. Okay, so very good move for Axie Infinity. Kudos to you guys for finishing that up. And let me show you. Ito yung itsura niya mismo, guys. Katana interface, si Ronin. Ayan, kasi ang niyan, pinakita niya ni Axie Infinity yan. Kunin natin yung guys. Kunin natin yung link para makuha yung mismong source ng gimmick na yan. Hold on. Let me see. Ayan. Baba lang natin yung gain. Okay, so yan. Katana the Ronin Dex is live. Ayan. So Katana the Ronin Decentralized Exchange is live. Katana allows anyone to easily swap between the various assets within the Axie Infinity ecosystem. Again, napakalaking tulong niyan in terms of lessening the gas fee. For our launch, you can trade between AXS, SLP, USDC, and WETH. Check out our detailed guide here. Tingnan din natin yan. So yan, makikita ninyo dyan yung gimmick nila. Lalagay ko din yan guys sa sa description nitong video. Feel free to go back and click the link para it will take you directly doon sa mismong site. So for our launch, ayan, you can also deposit these assets into liquidity pools and be rewarded both a share of the trading fees and RON tokens. RON is the ecosystem token of the Ronin blockchain and will eventually power all transactions. So, ito yung use Katana. Ayan yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Mamaya silipin natin kung ano yung mga available doon na mga tokens na pwede nating i-interchange. So, with Ronin's release, the Axie Nation has entered a new age. Economic activity is booming and we've welcomed new citizens at a rate that's shocked the world. Wow! Today, we take one step closer to a more prosperous future for our digital nation. Katana is a decentralized exchange for Ronin decentralized exchange or DEX, normally ang tawag nila dyan, are applications that allow people to exchange between two assets without the need of a traditional bank or other trusted third party by using smart contracts. Katana will allow you to quickly swap your wallet's assets anytime and anywhere on the Ronin blockchain at a low cost. So yun yung pinaka point dito guys, para sa mga sa community, is to reduce yung cost ng gas fees para sa inyo. Okay, so yan, may may screenshot siya. Okay, so why Katana? We believe in a future where all in-game resources are freely tradable tokens. Katana was built to make using our products like Axie easier and less expensive, reduce our reliance on other parties by becoming the largest exchange for our ecosystem's tokens. Sana dati pa, di ba? Kumbaga, nag-boom na si Axie Infinity, tumaas na yung token nila. Ngayon, kumbaga parang kung kailan lumagapak ng sobrang baba yung token, saka lang sila kumilos. Pero again, better late than never, di ba? So ayan, increase liquidity for assets in our ecosystem. This will make it easier to exchange the tokens you earn while playing Axie. So Katana enables exchange by leveraging assets community members like you share within liquidity pools. Katana allows for anyone to become a liquidity provider when they deposit both sides of a trading pair's assets into its liquidity pools. So guys, balikan nyo na lang to silipin nyo na lang to, papaitao na sa inyo yung itsura niya and kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin dito. So ayan, meron siyang AXS, SLP, and USDC ngayon. So meron pang Ronin Wrapped Ether na dyan. So AXS, SLP, and USDC pa lang itong WETH at saka yung RON parang hindi pa po pwede kasi hindi pa sila naka-enable ang dating. Okay, so very easy to use din naman siya as long as naka-connect siya sa Ronin wallet ninyo. Ang ipapakita niya sa'yo is yung laman niya na katulad naman ng other decks na mga ginagamit natin, di ba? Pagka kinonect mo yung wallet mo, nakikita niya na kung ano yung available tokens mo doon and pwede mo nang i-interchange yung mga tokens na yun. Okay, so dito hindi pa ako nag-claim ng mga SLP ko sa Axie Infinity account ko. Pero yun nga, ganun ang mangyayari dun guys. Okay, so very tipid ang mangyayari sa inyo dyan. And magandang response ng community. So hopefully ito na yung part where babangon uli si Axie Infinity and tataas uli yung token price niya. Sana ang isunod nila is additional game modes tsaka burning mechanism para naman, 'di ba? Hindi naman yung inflation naman ang ma-address nila talaga na main reason kung bakit pababa din ng pababa yung yung SLP price. Okay? So guys, yun na lang muna ang ibabalita ko sa inyo. Yan ang latest and pinakamainit na balita galing kay Axie Infinity bukod sa syempre nagpa-pump ang SLP token. Hopefully tuloy-tuloy, umabot muna ng 10 pesos tapos saka na natin ulit i-wish na umangat pa sa doon. Okay, so if you're new to my channel guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell para lagi kang notified sa mga updates, game reviews, and announcements natin. Every Friday guys, CPD Friday Madness. Join us. Meron tayong paraffle dyan, shoutout sessions. Raffle ng mga NFTs from other games. Okay? So, that's it for me for now. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace!